You hate ads? I hate ads. You know what I like? Patreon.com/Inkdependence keeps this blog ad-free. Hello and welcome to Inkdependence. I'm Mike, and today we are unboxing this box from Japan. This is something that we bought from Ishimaru Bunkodu. I am not familiar with how to say that word. Please help me out in the comments. I know you will. Get out our handy letter opener here, and let's get in here. Opening up the bottom of the box. The top of the box has a bunch of shipping stuff on it. It got a little bit mushed in transit, but actually this is a pretty quick shipment. Although it wasn't exactly drama-free. There's been much back and forth with the store and with the shipper and all sorts of things. So, Audrey was very, very diligent in getting this. I honestly would have given up kind of immediately. But this is a pen that I was like, I want this. And so she made it happen. So thanks, Aud. All right, got some corrugated paper in here. There's the pen. What we got in here? Some fun little packing cells. And then here we have a thank you, World Shipping. I like this little paper crane. That's fun. Oh, nothing else in here. Just just this thing. Okay, cool. All right, so obviously this is a sailor pen. It is a broad. There's a big old B on it. There we go. Sailor PG-12, it says. Get in here. I am excited about this pen. This is, I don't usually do orders on these limited editions for stores in Japan, but this one from Ishimaru, which is apparently a stationary department store in Nagasaki that has like 50,000 products. That's huge. Anyway, this looked so good that I was like, oh, I have to have it. And, oh yeah, it looks good in person. Yes. What else is in here? Anything else? A couple of cartridges, a bunch of stuff in Japanese that I can't read. I hope that says something nice. This is instructions on how to fill a fountain pen. Got it. No idea. Cool. Oh, it comes with a converter. I'm actually kind of shocked about that. I didn't think it would, but... All right, so this is the pen. Let's zoom in a little bit. Here it is. It is a beautiful smoke gray section with orange ends, finial top and bottom, and also section. This is the Sailor 1911, the standard size Sailor 1911. Also, it has a rather fancy nib. Look at that. So pretty. All right, so I actually don't know what this pen is called. I'm gonna see if I can look it up because everything is in Japanese and I couldn't read the website, and I don't usually have a translator thing going on. But this is real pretty, real pretty. I've got I don't know, 2 or 3 of this style of pen. Let me see if I can grab another one right quick. I didn't think about that beforehand. Here's another one that was in easy reach. This is the Mosaic version. You can see the nibs on these are drastically different. My Mosaic has an old style music nib, whereas this one has a custom nib for the store. You can see it says HB on the side for hard broad. They don't make a soft broad, unfortunately. I would probably buy that, but they don't have one. And like I said, I'm a little surprised this came with a converter. A lot of times when you buy pens from Japan, they don't come with converters. They have more of a cartridge culture there, from what I hear. But that's cool that they included that. I'm going to have a couple extras, but you can never have too many. All right. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I will be talking about this, I'm sure, on my live stream. There will be pictures on the social media, but I'm excited about this pen. So thank you very much to Audrey for persevering and acquiring this beauty for me from Japan. And I hope everybody else out there that tried to order one got one too. And if not, go check out their site, which will be in the description. I will post a link down there for you. All right, that's it. Short and sweet. Peace out.